Alright, so now let's connect a custom domain for the application which is currently being hosted from the Firebase project. So for this, I just got a domain from Namecheap, which is this one, small.xyz, and I'm going to use this thing. So heading back to the Firebase project, within the Firebase, the hosting page, using this button, we will find all the different domains that we have at the moment, all these, and let's just add in a custom domain where we just need to enter the one that we want to use, and then we'll have to add in a single text record to the DNS provider with these values. So let's do that. So as I'm using Namecheap, I got the domain on this thing. So let's just get to the advanced DNS. Then we'll have to add a new record of type txt. For the host, we can use the @ symbol. It's kind of the same as the host, which in my case is this domain, this thing. For the value, it has to be the same one, which is being provided right over here. Make sure it's the same thing. So after it's done, it may take some time in order for it to update. So like if I try to verify it at the moment, it may not work as it may take some time. Well, actually it did, so that's great. Now we just need to add 2 additional A records to the same thing. Let's do that. Let's add the A record for the host. Again, we can use the @, and for the value, it has to be this IP which is being provided. Let's add another one, which is again is supposed to be the same thing as such. So what is the difference? Okay, I think the difference is in the IPs which are as the value. So now we just need to add these two. Okay, so that's done. Now if we try to finish it up, let's see. It's saying, okay, so maybe it will take some time for it to propagate and to update the changes. Let's see if I try visiting the domain at the moment. Is it working? Nope. So I think it's going to take some time. So I'll have to wait for the moment. Saying, would you like to add www? Yes, we do want to add that thing. Okay, so I think we'll have to add separate records for this as well. Let's do that. Okay, let's do it as well. For the again A record, the host has to be this thing, and for the IP it has to be this one. Let's do the same thing. Oops, 1 second. This be this thing, and the host has to be this one. So I think this should be it. If we finish it up, let's see. Okay. Do we have, okay, nope. Alright, so I think it's going to take some time. After it's done, I will get back to this.